When a record-breaking heat wave hits your region, the electrical grid gets pushed beyond its absolute limit. When the air conditioning stops working, your home can turn into a lethal oven in a matter of hours. If you don't have a plan to regulate your core temperature off-grid, you are in serious danger. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are breaking down the 5 things you must do before the next heat wave. Let's go. Number 1. Install reflective window insulation. Do not rely on standard blinds. You must block the radiant heat from ever entering your home. Tape up heavy-duty blackout curtains or reflective mylar emergency blankets over your south-facing windows to bounce the thermal energy back outside. Number 2. Secure massive amounts of electrolytes. Drinking plain water during a 110-degree blackout will actually flush out your vital minerals and trigger heat exhaustion. You absolutely must stockpile high-grade electrolyte powders or bulk sea salt to replenish what you sweat out. Number 3. Relocate to the lowest elevation. Heat naturally rises. The second the power fails, abandon the second floor of your house entirely. Move your mattresses, supplies, and your family down to the basement or the lowest central room where the ambient temperature is naturally much cooler. Number 4. Build a thermal mass freezer bank. While the grid is still up, fill dozens of empty 2-liter bottles with water and freeze them solid. When the power goes out, these act as giant ice blocks to keep your fridge cold, or you can sleep with them to regulate your body heat. Number 5. Stockpile solar-powered airflow. Stagnant air kills. You cannot survive a dead grid heat wave without moving air to evaporate your sweat. Invest in high-capacity, rechargeable lithium-ion fans and a portable solar panel to keep them running indefinitely. The summer grid is incredibly fragile. Secure your off-grid cooling systems right now before the rolling blackouts hit. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I will see you next time.